Perfect Cover is a trusted brand for floor protection during any construction or renovation job. In this video, we discuss Perfect Cover Standard, its features and its use. Perfect Cover Standard is a versatile floor cover for hard, smooth and completely dried floors. The strong self-adhesive layer ensures a firm bond without using tape or leaving any residue. This makes installation quick and easy. Perfect Cover Standard is lightweight, which makes it easy to handle and easy to move. For optimal results, make sure the surface is clean and dust-free, and switch off the underfloor heating. Then place the roll in the starting position and roll out smoothly. Press firmly and ensure the strips overlap at least 5 cm. The liquid-proof top layer and shock-absorbing fleece structure are made from recycled material. This ensures optimal protection against paint, mud, water and falling tools. This keeps the workplace safe and valuable floors remain undamaged for up to 3 months. Perfect Cover Standard is available in various widths, including a narrow version for stairs and hallways. Perfect Cover Standard is not suitable for recently laid or moisture-sensitive floors. For this, watch our video about Perfect Cover Breathable and Vapor Permeable. Want to know more? Visit our website.